Once upon a time, there was a king named Gilgamesh. He is a half-half, one-third man and two-thirds god. Sana all! Back to the story, he was abusive of his power and oppressed the people he ruled. Tyrant Yarn.
He is abusive to his power. We need to stop it.
Parang di mo naman gawain.
I've already changed. Kasama yun sa wishlist ko no New Year.
Sana all, I've already changed.
That's enough, everyone. Let's find a way to suppress Gilgamesh.
Isip, brain blast!
Let's make Enkidu.
So, here's the chika. Gilgamesh has a prophetic dream about the coming of Enkidu. Anyway, he's not a Scarlet Witch from Marvel, ha?
La, may sumasapaw.
You're so rude.
Hey, you're actually pretty cool.
You too, bro.
They hug each other, then they become friends.
Tara, pumunta tayo sa Cedar Forest pare, tapos mag-hunting tayo ng fearsome demon para kalabanin. Gusto ko maging famous.
La, anong nakain mo?
Malunggay pandesal.
Come on! Tinapay para almusal, malunggay, pandesal, pandesal, walang halong na chemical, eh!
Bounce na tayo bro, mamamatay ka pala sa huli.
Guni-guni mo lang yun.
Pag namatay ka, walang sisihan ha.
Anong pangalan niya?
Humbaba. Humbaba!
Humbaba is the guardian of the forest. He is huge. He breathes fire and his roar is like a flood. Gilgamesh and Enkidu attack. It was a struggle, but with the help of the winds from the god Shamash, they won.
Ang laki pala nito. Hu.
Sabi sa'yo, bounce na tayo eh. Pasikat ka kasi.
Carry ba today?
Sim.
Humbaba begged for mercy, but they finished the job. They chopped down the sacred cedars and went home like champions.
Palpak na naman plano natin. Naging villain pa nga.
The goddess Ishtar saw Gilgamesh looking all heroic. Marry me and I'll give you everything. But Gilgamesh binasted siya. He listed all her ex-boyfriends who ended up miserable. You're a backdoor that lets in the code. He told her. Ouch, grabe ang shade.
Sumbong kita kay daddy ko. Kwento mo sa pagong. Dad, someone hurt me. Make him regret it. Dad, can you hear me?
Nak, huwag kang English ng English. Hindi kita naiintindihan.
Pa, si Gilgamesh, inaway ako.
Okay, ako bahala.
Furious, Ishtar sent the bull of heaven to destroy the city. But the duo killed the bull too. Enkidu threw a piece of the bull at Ishtar. Ayan, nagtantrums na ang Olympus. Maling mythology pero gets niya na. The gods decided someone has to pay, and that someone was Enkidu.
Bakit parang kasalanan ko?
Bro, wag mo ko iwan. Ang daya mo talaga.
Hala sige, balik tayo.
Joke lang. Rest well.
Enkidu dies, and for the first time, the mighty Gilgamesh is scared. Narealize niya na hindi siya invisible. He leaves the city, wears animal skin, and wanders the world looking for the secret of eternal life. He looks like he hasn't slept in 3 to 5 business years.
Utna Fish Team, where are you? Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Yeah, it's you. You survived the Great Flood, right? Yeah, why do you ask? How do I live forever?
Utnapishtim tells him the story of the flood. How the gods tried to wipe out humanity because they were too noisy. Masyado daw kasing maingay, parang kapitbahay na nagkakaraoke ng 2 a.m.
So paano nga maging katulad mo? If you want to beat that, try beating sleepers. Lah, paano yun? Try mo magbasa ng Wattpad or magparangka sa ML.
Gilgamesh fails immediately. Tulog ang lolo nyo. He then tries to bring home a magical plant that restores youth, but a snake steals it while he's bathing.
Bakit mo kinuha? Akala ko pagkain. Sorry, boss. I lost everything.
He returns to Uruk. He looks at the walls he built. He realized that while he will die, his work, his city will remain. That's the story. True immorality isn't a magic plant or a long life. It's the legacy you leave behind. Kaya habang tayo ay nabubuhay, mas mainam kung gumawa tayo ng kabutihan upang ito ang maalala sa atin ng ating mga maiiwan.
Come on! Tinapay para almusal, malunggay, pandesal, pandesal. Walang halo na chemical. Isa sikaw, lamig kayo, busog kayo.